Hi, welcome back, students and professionals. SAP S4 HANA Sales 21 and 22 sample certification exam attempt questions. Okay, this is actually, I would like to write from SAP certification website only. Okay, this is the questionnaire. So when you go to the inside of the certification, if you click the button, you can able to write it. So this is the sample questions. Here the sample means like in an actual examination you will have 80 questions. Here they are giving 15 minutes. That means they are giving somewhere 10 or 11 questions here. So let's write this examination. Okay, so the examination I told you, right, in a previous video, or so you will get a date and this is as a sample actual examination. I'll just off the screen. So you can see this time he has given in sample 15 minutes. Actually, here you will get 80 minutes. Okay, so this is the questions 1 to 80. You will get it in actual examination. So let's see. You need to create master records for material determination. Which of the following activate to perform? Okay, for material determination. So enter multiple substitution material for master record. Okay, change default validity period. Okay, enter region for substitution. Okay, so these I feel that these three I doubt determine pricing for substitution material. It can be there or not, but for material determination, this is these are the three valid. Okay, let's go to the next question. What characterizes the standard customer consignment process? Okay, what is the standard customer consignment process? You use dedicated sales order type to record the customer consignment consumption stock, and you create billing document to final. See, you see this consignment pickup. While doing the consignment pickup, you need not create the billing document. So this is wrong answer. Okay, you create warehouse task to realize the customer's consignment returns, and you send the material customer while continuing the value in the delivering plant. Okay, this one and this one. Let's see how many correct and how many right. We don't know. So if I would like to go back, I can go to the previous question. This is how you can able to do the practice just for yeah, before attempting directly examination. You can give a try in SAP site. Which of the following characteristics of the cash sales process? So cash sales process is delivery related billing, wrong. It is order related. Order and delivery created in two steps, that is wrong, because automatic delivery will be created. Obviously, the invoice amount is cash account, correct. The invoice is printed from the order. This is correct. Which parameter of the metal master record do you use to determine the route in the sales order? Okay. So metal group, no. Loading group is for shipping point. Segmentation structure, wrong. This is the correct answer, transportation group. So you want to your S4 HANA system to automatically include the text in the sales order. Which of the following source of these texts? Okay. So I would like to choose customer master record, and let's see these two. Which of the following assignment is required for sales project? You see this how tricky. Sales office to sales area. Sales office, it is optional element, you don't require. Plant to sales area, if you don't have, also no problem. Division to plant, this is the correct answer. Without sales organization distribution channel, this is the option button. What do you do? What do you need to consider? You create condition record for pricing. Okay, condition record. Condition header conditions, you don't have condition record, you can create. Okay, you have to set time frame for each condition record. You can create condition record for condition manual, selected as a manual. This is wrong. If you select manual in pricing procedure, you have to enter the condition type for that value, that particular value or percentage manually in pricing procedure. This is wrong. You have a limit of 10 scales for each condition record. This is also wrong. Okay, this is how tricky it will be there. Which sales configuration setting influence shipping process? Okay, so One is the delivery relevance in schedule line category. This is not required. See, he confused the moment type goods issue for sales order in item category. Item category don't have moment type. Moment type you have in schedule line category. The default delivery type in sales document type. These two are the correct answer, I feel. Let's see. See, here it is giving there are two correct answers. Sometimes they don't give. You have to choose it. Listing and exclusion determines which pricing condition. Listing and exclusion is condition technique. This is correct. Listing and exclusion set up BRF plus wrong. Same materials to them. This is also there. Okay. Next. Which of the following setting managed to sales document item category? Okay. Mandatory reference. This is sales document type, but he is asking about item category. Availability check in schedule and category it will be there. Then price relevance and bomb explosion. These two are the correct answers. Your project requires you to maintain new partner functions, which should be copied from customer master record to sales order. Okay. Copy control, this is wrong. Enhance. So this one. BP field. Okay, let's see this. Maybe I also doubt about this one. So before going to assessment navigator, let me submit. So I got a total score out of 11. I passed 100%. So I have some experience. So sometimes I might be wrong also. So this is how you can able to write your assessment. Okay. If you wanted to get depth of the practicals, then you can able to write your examinations also in a perfect way. For that, what you have to do it. Okay. Just follow my